Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, and I'm going to be showing you how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors and of course on the boot, because this is a 7-seater. So first off, we're just going to go to one of the rear doors and open it fully. Now first off, just go ahead and test the door, and you'll notice there's a little bit of resistance on the lever there. But then if we go down to where the locking mechanism is, you'll actually see this padlock with a child on there. So if we just flick that down, then that's now operated the child locking mechanism, and you'll feel that the resistance has now gone. However, the outside door handle will still operate. And then of course, just to return it back to normal, you're going to flick that back up, and you'll notice the resistance has come back to that door handle. So that's for the rear doors. But as I say, this car is actually a 7-seater. So because of that, 2 of the seats are found inside the boot itself. So we're just going to go ahead and open up the rear door, and I'm got the boot pretty much full up there, so you can't see the 2 rear seats, but there is a seat on this side and a seat on this side. So we're just going to take a look at the rear door, or the boot lid as I should call it, and we have got a handle in the middle, so much the same. If you give it a feel now, you can actually hear it operating the lock, and there is a bit of resistance. We can flick that down. That resistance is now gone, but the handle on the outside still works. And just to restore it, flick that back up, and now you can hear that operating again. It's a nice simple video for you today. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.